13,000 years ago, the first footprints were carved into a world of ice, a journey that would change the course of history. From a simple wild grass, they engineered a miracle. Maize wasn't just food, it was the birth of civilization. Before the old world looked to the heavens, these people were already mapping the cosmos, weaving the stars into their calendar. This was no mere sport, it was a ritual of life and death, a cosmic battle played on a dirt court.
The Olmecs, the mother culture. They moved mountains to immortalize their kings in basalt.
Teotihuacan, a metropolis of 100,000 souls, rivaling the majesty of ancient Rome. The Maya didn't just survive the jungle, they mastered time and mathematics, leaving their secrets in stone and ink. A culture of warriors and artisans, the Toltecs became the blueprint for the empires yet to come.
Driven by prophecy, the Mexica found their home in the middle of a lake and built a wonder of the world.
Tenochtitlan, a shimmering Venice of the West, a marvel of engineering that left the world breathless.
In 1519, the horizon changed forever. Steel met obsidian, a clash of gods that would end in fire. The fall was swift, brutal, and absolute. But from the ashes of an empire, a nation was born.
Spain sought to erase the past, but the past simply lived on, hidden beneath the altars of a new faith.
A single bell rang out in the darkness, a cry for freedom that would ignite a decade of war.
A foreign emperor in a land that would never be a colony again. His execution sealed Mexico's sovereignty, order and progress. Mexico industrialized at a lightning pace, but it was a progress built on the backs of the poor. Land and liberty. Zapata's revolution wasn't for power, it was for the soul of the people. October 2nd. A night the state tried to bury, but the students' cry for democracy refused to die. A nation caught between the global market and its ancient roots, struggling to find justice in a world of cartels and walls.
Mexico is not just history. It is resilience. It is a story that is still being written by those who refuse to be forgotten.